So here goes. I'm going to just power it up now. In manual mode, bring it out on a layout, maiden run. So just power it up. Let's bring up the pantographs at both ends. Both pantographs are up. Just going to run it on the wireless controller. Just bring it out onto the system. I'm going to bring it up. The route out the actual station is going to be along here, through that junction, underneath the signal box. And then it's going to come out onto the system, run along this storage siding, which will be the automation tracking on. It's going to go onto the main lines and do its loops. So, yeah. Let's bring it out. Hopefully it'll work. Hoping the pantographs are going to clear various obstacles. Underneath the signal box. Yeah, clears that okay. I normally wouldn't run trains with pantographs up, but just thought to see what it's like. Be very careful. Yeah, there's plenty of clearance there. So it's working its way out up the storage siding. Let's have a look now. Let's bring it across with the back end of the layout. Seems to be working alright anyway. Nice and easy. Easy does it. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to neutralise all the points. It's got a safe route now. Let's bring it through the I'm just going to bring it through those double slips and get it into the central line. The centre line, it's clearing all the tunnels, because those tunnels are designed for having electric pantographs anyway, the portals. That's clearing okay. In fact, that's looking quite nice. Just close them points. Let's bring the speed up maybe. In fact, I'm going to bring the pantographs down. I think. I just brought a pantograph down, so I'm just a bit, and that one's still up. I mean, it is clearing. I brought both pantographs down now. So anyway, I'm going to make it go, see what top speed is. Looks nice. That seems to be pulling alright anyway. Looking good. Looking very nice. That's its top speed, which is about 170 kilometers an hour. Which is more than adequate for a train like this, and a layout like this anyway. Let's drop it down a bit now. Well, that's working really nice actually. Yeah, more than happy with that. Bring it down a bit. Bring it right down now. Yeah, more than happy with that. I think I'll just do a high speed pass and then call it a day on this video now.